Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache Tomcat 8.5 from its source code in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Ant 1.10 and JDK 11. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Apache Tomcat 8.5 source code, okay, as a zip file. So I have provided the download link in the description of this video. Please refer to the description of this video for download links. Okay, I'm extracting the source code here. So this is the directory structure of the source code. So this bin directory contains some executables. So and this is web apps directory. Okay. So here you can see this is the build.xml. So build.xml contains a lot of targets. So we are going to execute the ant command. Okay. So I am going to, before executing the ant command, this is the ant 1.10 installation. So I install the ant in D drive. Also, I have added the ant bin directory to the Windows variable, Windows path variable. Let me show the Windows path variables here. And is added to the Windows path variable, and JDK 11 is also added to the Windows path variable. So that and Java 11 is in path now, so that you can execute ant and Java commands. Okay, this is my settings. Now let us proceed to building the Apache Tomcat 8.5 source code. Okay, I am copying the path. Open the command line. Push D. Enter. Just type the word and that's it. So now you can see that source code is getting built. You may need internet connection to download the jar files from external source. Make sure that you have high speed internet connection so that jar files will be downloaded quickly. You can see that Apache Tomcat 8.5 is compiling. Yes, build is successful. So you can see that Apache Tomcat 8.5 web server has got built along with the web applications. So these are the build logs. Let me go to the directory. So in output directory, you can see that output build directory. You can see that entire Apache Tomcat 8.5 itself available. You can see that bin directory, all the executables are copied, and conf directory, all the XML files and configuration files are copied. Lib directory contain all the jar files. Web apps contain all the web applications. So that's all about Apache Tomcat 8.5. So we have successfully built Apache Tomcat 8.5 on Windows 10 operating system using Ant 1.10 and JDK 11.